Hello friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams. Today I am here to share inspiration using the new Not Too Shabby January 2023 Box of the Month. This is a video hop. In the description and in my title is a hashtag. Just click on that and that'll bring up all the videos for the hop. I'm sure you're going to see lots of inspiration as you hop around. There is a prize available. It's a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop, and it's open from today, January 1st, 2023 through January 7th, 2023. The winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby channel. To be eligible, you just hop around. You stop at each stop, leave a comment, and if you like what you see there, we always love you to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and then head to the raffle copter, which should be in everyone's description box, and fill it out. Easy to do, and like I said, I'm sure there's going to be so much inspiration. If there's any questions or anything, just leave them below. And again, everything is in the description box for more details and stuff. I'm going to share a quick look at what comes in this month's box. There are 2 packages of ephemera. There are 3 stamp sets. They are all fabulous. And 2 paper pads. And I really like these paper pads. But who am I kidding? I like all the paper pads. So I'm sure that many of the other channels might have a more in-depth look at these, but I just wanted to share a little bit. If you are new to the Not Too Shabby subscription products, they all come out on the 1st of the month. And I would go ahead and run on over there and grab them because they do sell out quickly. There is a drop-down menu and you can get it monthly, and that is the only way to guarantee that you will get it each month. Otherwise, you need to be there right at 9 o'clock Central Time on the 1st to grab them up because they do go fast. There's the box of the month, the stamp and die of the month, and the paper pad club of the month. And they are all so wonderful. I know you want to jump over there. You do get a discount when you do get it monthly, but if that's not your thing, you can just get it as a one-time purchase as well. So after you're done hopping around, or even after this video, if it's something you know you want, head on over to the shop and add it to your cart. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get things ready, and I'll be back in just a blink of your eye to share the projects that I made this month. I am back to share the cards that I made with all of the box of the month items. For this first one, I used those cute little bunnies and that pretty paper. I cut out the sentiment by hand, thinking of you. Thought it looked kind of cute, and then added just some clear sparkle gems on it. And there's the inside. Then I made a mini slimline with that hashtag BFF stamp set and the papers, and I'm here for you. Added some enamel dots. Just thought it was like fun. I haven't done a mini slimline in a long time, so that was super fun. And then my last card uses the Loads of Love stamp set, I think it was. I added some stickles to the heart so it's nice and shiny. That adorable little bunny, and then the sentiment is on the inside, hugs and kisses. So there are all my creations using the products from the January 2023 box of the month. It is so much, has so many so many fun goodies in it. I know that you will love it. So everything is linked in the description box below. Run on over to the store and grab yours up today. Remember to change it to monthly if you want to guarantee that you get it each month. And click that hashtag and hop around and see what everyone else has to share today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day and go get crafty.